Hi, my name's Jamie, and in November of 2019, we were invited by some friends to go to Salem, Massachusetts, and on the way there to stop at Falls River for the night and to stay at Lizzy Borden's house, actually spend the night. And so Mena and I actually slept in Lizzy Borden's room. So that was all fun and everything else. So Mena and I love collecting strange and unusual things. I collect tarot cards. She has a huge Ouija board collection. And so we had one special one that we decided to pack and take with us. This Ouija board was stamped on the back 1891, which happened to be the very first year that Ouija boards were created. And I had gotten it from a person who said it belonged to a spiritualist in Rhode Island. Living in Providence, this spiritualist was only 18 miles away from where the murders had taken place in 1892. So I could only imagine that the spiritualist had this board in 1891, just months before the murders of Lizzy Borden's parents. So I can just imagine that this Ouija board would have been used by this spiritualist to investigate these murders. So, and of course, I've got a really active imagination. So while there, I took some video and I showed a friend some of the video, and they're like, that's kind of weird. So I look at the video and I can explain everything. You know, I think that it's probably, when you look at it, you'll see that there's a lens flare or there's a something like that. So I don't believe that there's anything supernatural with this. I think it can all be explained technically, but they seem to think that there's something strange about it. And so I just thought I would go ahead, and since they asked me to put it out there, that I would do that. So here's the video of us at the Lizzy Borden house. Something weird is going on with my camera.